Hello, good day. My name is Dr. Prince Djan. I'm board certified internal medicine physician, originally in Washington, D.C., where I helped to manage a lot of COVID-19 patients, and later on relocated to Sovah Health in Martinsville, where I came to see my family who live in the community and to contribute to my quota towards managing patients who have been infected with COVID-19. Currently, Sovah Health is managing 75 patients that have tested positive for COVID-19 infection. Out of this number, 29 patients are on our Martinsville campus and 46 patients on our Danville campus. I would like to assure you that Sovah Health is prepared and has the capacity to manage patients who have tested positive for COVID-19 infection. I would like to also inform you that our frontline workers have been vaccinated against COVID-19 infection. Presently, 2,589 doses of COVID-19 vaccines have been administered. I'm also here to inform you about our excitement about the fact that we have been able to manage and discharge 722 patients who tested positive for COVID-19 infection and are currently at home and are doing very well. As said earlier, this is definitely an increase compared to the previous update that was given last week that showed that we had 51 patients that were positive at that time compared to currently 75 positive patients. This is definitely an increase, and we continue to monitor the situation. Because of this, last week, our Danville location announced that they are scaling back some non-emergent surgical cases, but this does not affect our Martinsville location. We continue to monitor the trend of the infection, and we will keep you updated as the situation unfolds. Concerning our visitation policy, currently there have not been any changes. Please, we entreat you to visit the hospital's website to read about our current visitation policies. As we are all aware, COVID-19 vaccines have been made available, and now we have the tools in our toolbox in helping us fight COVID-19 infection. I would like to now inform you about what we have available in COVID-19 vaccine administration. The state of Virginia is currently in phase 1A and 1B. However, this differs for each locality. Both health districts in our region are currently in phase 1A and 1B. Now, I will share specific information for each health district. In Danville, Pennsylvania County, residents that fall into phase 1A and 1B as defined by VDH can call 434-766-9828, or you can also call 434-432-7232 to be added to a list for scheduling an appointment for the closed vaccination clinics. Since the vaccine is still not available to the general public, these clinics are not public events. Individuals will be required to bring a personal form of identification, such as a driver's license, and may also be asked to show proof of qualification, such as a work ID, in order to verify your eligibility. Essential employees will be scheduled through their employers. Vaccination planning teams are reaching out to coordinate with employers in phase 1B. Now I'll proceed to talk about West Piedmont Health District. Currently, the West Piedmont Health District is in phase 1A and 1B. However, the vaccine is in short supply. Many phase 1A and 1B recipients will get their vaccine through their workplace and do not need to seek vaccine independently. Residents that fall into phase 1A and 1B as defined by the Virginia Department of Health and Anyone not affiliated with a workplace clinic may add their names to the vaccine list. Instructions on how to add your name to a list will be released next week. Please be patient. Vaccine administration essentially depends on the supply of the vaccines as well as our human resources needed to staff these clinics. We would like to assure you that your safety and well-being is our top priority, and we are working tirelessly to make sure that a lot of people as possible get vaccinated. Are you unsure of what phase you qualify for? I would like to walk you through this to determine the phase that you qualify for. You can find which phase you are eligible for by visiting the Virginia Department of Health's website. A simple Google search will locate this website. The website will walk you through a series of questions to determine which phase you fall into. Also, at the end, you will be able to submit your contact information to receive updates from the Virginia Department of Health. Completing this form does not reserve a vaccine for you. It enables you to receive updates from the Virginia Department of Health. Also on this website is a frequently asked questions button that answers many questions about COVID-19 vaccine and vaccination process. In the meantime, I would like you to practice the preventive measures that have been outlined by the CDC. Continue to wear your face masks. Continue to maintain social distancing for a minimum of 6 feet from others. Continue to practice hand hygiene. I would like to also assure you that it's very safe to come to the hospital if you need care. Sovah Health is more than willing and prepared to help you in these challenging moments. It's our pleasure to serve you, and we will continue to do that to the best of our abilities. Thank you.